So before doing that, I had very low self-confidence and I was very anxious all the time. But eduCLaaS changed that. They prepared me for the job market and now I feel confident in my abilities.
Education can be a challenging journey. Many struggle with focus, motivation, and finding the right path. Eugenie Taganas, a 27-year-old digital marketing executive, knows this struggle all too well. But she found a way to break through and transform her life. This is her story.
I actually entered college in 2014. I was struggling with my focus and my attention, and each regular semester in the Philippines takes like 5 to 6 months. I would be doing very well during the 1 to 2 months of classes, and then one day my attention, my motivation just drops, and then I let go of everything from that point on.
One day, Eugenie came across an ad for eduCLaaS's Earn While You Learn program. Skeptical at first, she decided to take a leap of faith.
So the ads that I saw about eduCLaaS were the Earn While You Learn program. I was a bit skeptical at first, and then I thought, it's just a marketing strategy. The remote setup, the partnerships with Singaporean institutions, and the promise of earning while learning, it all turned out to be true. So I'm really glad I took the leap. There was no way they were going to have us come to a school and study. So I knew everything was going to be online. So to learn that, it's so true. Like everything they're saying, it's true. And they live up to the expectations.
eduCLaaS was exactly what Eugenie needed. She could focus intensely, take a short break, and then tackle the next module with fresh energy.
What they do is a 1-year bootcamp training. It's like a series of 12 modules over a course of 1 year. So each month, there's a different module. That's when I could hold my attention, my focus. So as long as I'm doing 1 month between the modules, I can rest and then I can restart and I'm going to have a fresh mind. So comparing that with traditional degrees, I think that's better, especially if you're like me who's struggling with focus and attention. I'm already 27 years old and I think that some of my classmates are only 19 or 20. I feel like an ate or a sister to some of them.
One of the opportunities that I've had as apprentice of eduCLaaS is attending the Philippine Future Skills Summit held in Makati, Philippines last January 2023. There, I met in person Danica, our content marketing producer, Jay, our senior marketing manager, and other members of the sales, marketing, and higher ed teams. I also met Leslie, our CEO, and sat right across from the pillar. That was a really wonderful experience for me because I heard a lot of their insights and learned much more about eduCLaaS as an education provider. And we even noticed collaterals from the event. So that was a fun experience.
Eugenie's journey wasn't just about academics. It was also about personal growth. Overcoming self-doubt and anxiety played a crucial role in her transformation.
Before starting eduCLaaS, I underwent cognitive behavioral therapy and I did it for 1 year. So before doing that, I had very low self-confidence and I was very anxious all the time. Everything that I do, I used to be a perfectionist, and with therapy, I was able to let go of that and I was able to take control of my life better. After that, I had the class and then I faced another episode of like self-doubts and anxiety. I started getting medical help. So that in combination with the therapy really helped me well. I feel more stable, confident, and strong because of those things. My only hobbies were reading manga and watching movies. And then eventually I grew out of it. I stopped reading manga. I had nothing like to attach myself to. So I started working out. I enrolled in a class in sewing and baking. That's like 3 months of my life. And then I was also able to start a small business.
Eugenie's experience with eduCLaaS wasn't just about academics. It was about building confidence, gaining real-world skills, and preparing for the job market.
Number 1, very much self-confidence and skills. The problem with that is I don't know what to put in my resume. I don't have any idea what goes on in a regular job. It's like I have nothing to offer. So I'm always thinking, who would even hire me if I myself don't even know what I can give? But eduCLaaS changed that. They prepared me for the job market, and now I feel confident in my abilities.
To everyone at eduCLaaS, thank you for showing the possibilities of working and studying at the same time. For people like me who have been through failures before and fallen into stagnancy, you have given me hope that life could move forward and show me a path that suits my needs and capabilities. Thank you for your encouragement, patience, and understanding. And I hope that more students find excellence in you right here.
Today, Eugenie is thriving as a digital marketing executive, having been promoted from her apprenticeship role. Her story is one of many. eduCLaaS is more than just an education provider, it's a platform for transformation and success. If Eugenie can do it, so can you.